In this video, we're making chicken marsala. The ingredients are chicken breast, sliced mushrooms, olive oil, marsala or sweet cooking wine, vegetable cooking spray, chicken bouillon granules, flour, cornstarch, pepper, and chopped fresh parsley. Coat the chicken with flour and black pepper and brown both sides in a non-stick pan with olive oil, not cooking completely yet. Remove from the skillet and place in a baking dish. Spray the skillet with the cooking spray and place on medium-high heat and cook the mushrooms until soft. Place the mushrooms in the baking dish over the chicken. In the same skillet, heat the wine and 1/4 cup of water. Add bouillon, parsley, and black pepper. Mix 1/2 cup of cold water with cornstarch and gradually mix into the wine mixture, stirring constantly until the sauce thickens. Pour the sauce over the mushrooms and chicken and cover with foil. Bake at 375 degrees for 15 minutes, then uncover and turn the chicken breast to coat and bake for an additional 10 minutes uncovered. Serve this chicken marsala with a whole grain for a balanced meal.